For this video, we're going to be making a bobbing dolphin coming out of the ocean. To start, we're going to make a few sketch lines for our dolphin shape. We're going to start by making a big upside down U, and then another upside down U, but narrower and smaller at the top of that first one. And I'm going to add a little line right here, which would be the fin. Now I'm going to go over those sketch lines and combine them to make the body of the dolphin. As you can see, I'm using a darker color, and I'm not too worried about being perfect on those sketch lines. I'm going to add a line there, add a line that could be used for a mouth, a narrow oval for the eye, and then a little line through the body of the dolphin, and a hint of the dorsal fin. Now, using a blue color, I'm going to add waves around the dolphin. The waves are just basically a simple up and down motion. I'm going to start in the front, put some on the side, make sure I put one in the middle touching the dolphin so it looks like it's actually coming out of the water. I'm going to have some behind the dolphin, so put them off to the side of the dolphin, and a couple smaller ones in the background to give it some depth. So you can stop there and call your drawing done, or if you want to, with a grayish blue color or a lighter color, you can add a few lines underneath the dolphin to make it look like part of the body is still underwater, but you can still see that part at the surface of the ocean. So I'm just going to add a line here and here, just small little hints of the dolphin being under the ocean. You can also go back if you want to and add a few drips of water coming off the dolphin. Since it is coming out of the ocean, it would probably have a few little wet spots coming off of it, kind of like a splash. Make a couple of circles here where it breaks through the water, like a little splash if you want to also. Now if you want to, you can go in and erase those sketch lines, or you can leave them there. I'm just going to leave them there for now. And that's basically it. You've just drawn a dolphin bobbing out of the ocean.